So very good morning students. In the previous class, so we finished about a related to the mirror equation and as well as the mirror equation with mirror equation magnification also finished. So that is a one magnification which we can say lateral magnification is over. Now let us will move to the longitudinal magnification in the today's class. Some other magnifications are there. So that about other magnification I will tell you. See, because it is not required, but some objective point of view, only I will tell you one derivation. So remaining I will not give you the derivations, just I will give you the formulas, how the formulas will be there for the other magnifications. So that here, in case of a longitudinal magnification, if you use a one object, so the object distance from the optic center, see till this end you say u1, and other end will be the object is u2. So that the image will form real and inverted image, because we are using the concave mirror. In this concave mirror, the image will be, the image is forms. See the image first end you take as a v1 and the second end you take as a v2. Therefore, there it is to be images are will be like this. Then we know the magnification, very simple, length of the image by length of the object. So length of the image, that we can say there is a difference in length is there. So that you take a final length minus initial length, that is what you write here. Magnification implies it is a minus v2 minus v1 by u2 minus u1. So v2 minus v1 in the sense is, that is we can say dv, change in length by change in object, change in length image by change in object length. So it is a L for lateral longitudinal magnification. Sir, how will get this magnification? There is a proof. We know mirror equation, 1 by f, 1 by v is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by f. This is in the last class we proved it. Then now you differentiate with respect, v is there, you take it with respect to v, u is there, you take it with respect to u, because we are taking only distances differentiation. Here is the f is the focal length, so not required. You take a differentiation for this constant, you take as a 0. Then let us a differentiation. Before taking the differentiation, this v is there in denominator, you take it is up, then it is becomes a minus. Here also u is in the denominator, you take up, therefore u minus is equal to 0. Now we know there is a one formula in our differentiation method, that is, suppose you say d by dx x power n. In the first year also this is we discussed, n into x power n minus 1. So this is the differentiation method. Here you see, instead of n here minus 1 is there, so that minus 1 will come here, and n is minus and here n minus 1 is there, you add one more minus, then will get the minus 2. Like that here also will get the same. Then again this is the minus 2 is there, you take a denominator, it is becomes positive, and here also minus 2 is there, you take a denominator, it is becomes plus 2. Then this is minus will be the same. Therefore this minus du by u2 take this side, it is becomes plus. Then the simplification, you take du here and v here you take. Therefore the magnification will be dv by du is equal to m square. Look at here, ml is nothing but a length of the image, or ml is nothing but a minus dv by du, yes, but v by u is nothing but a magnification, there you take a m square. General magnification, that is about a lateral magnification, so that ml is equal to m square. Like this will get the magnification in case of a longitudinal will be like this. When the object is given like this, therefore the image will be forms to be like this. It is a one magnification related to like this. Suppose if you go for the aerial magnification, you write here aerial, very simple. From here you look at here, for this object longitudinal, here it is getting a v square, m square. For aerial will what happens, it is a m cube. Like you go for the volume magnification, will get the m power 4, that is it. The derivation will be the same here for all, but here you look at here, you take a aerial magnification, right, aerial magnification, so that there will be what happens, you take an object areas, so that here you write here area of the image by area of the object, like this. So that area of the image by area of the object, then the final will get not required this all, you leave this directly we can take the image will be right. So the aerial magnification, therefore we can take as ml is equal to m cube. It is directly we can, because area of the image we can write a breadth into length, so that you write b into m l, that is a breadth by this, and here a into b, that's all. So that here what happens, m square into b into l, here also you write area, no, l it is, you say it is b into l, very simple, b l cancel, therefore it is aerial magnification, no, you say a, here also you take as aerial magnification like this. So now it is about a aerial magnification which we can take as a m cube, area of the image by it is area of the object. So that it is we can call as a magnification related to like this. And let us you go for the volume magnification. So the volume is magnification, that you say mv, simple. You take any cubical body, like there is a mirror, there is a one cube which is placed like this. So for cube it is an object, right? Volume of the cube is nothing but L into B into height. Like the image will be real and inverted image will form, no, which may be in the bottom you take or in the downward you take. Again you draw the same situation, maybe image will form like this. It is an image, it is an object. Yes, the volume magnification is nothing but a mv is equal to, very simple. See, I mean to say volume of the image by volume of the object. So that finally we can write mv is equal to m power 4. Enough it is. This is pure related to objective based. Pure related to the objective based. So that you go through this aerial magnification, as well as the next one is a magnification related to the volume magnification. Then volume is equal to m power 4. Aerial is nothing but m cube, and I mean longitudinal is nothing but lateral is nothing but we can say m square, and first magnitude, that is about a lateral magnification m. So these are the information related to the magnifications, so which is important for all objective examination. Supposed to you go through this, then it is help you in the further objective examinations, right? Let us will come to the next one. Actually in this again we have a power of a curved mirrors. Say power we should find. I think everyone know about a power. Power is nothing but a reciprocal of focal length. Very simple. Reciprocal of a focal length is nothing but we can call as the power of the mirrors. Side heading will be power is, we can take like this, right? So you write here power of curved mirrors. Right? So anyone you take, either a concave or a convex. So let us go for a concave, because it is will get the very easy, we can understand the rays or goes, and which may be converge at a one point, that is the focus point. This is for concave. You go for the convex, there is a virtual will get like this, the rays or goes, and there may be a focus point, the rays which goes like this, and it is reflected to be like this. But the image will be at a virtual focus, and the image will be at a real focus. So power is nothing but a very simple it is, that is an ability of an optical instrument of a given a device. It is an ability, it is the ability of an optical instrument to deviate the path rays incident on it. That we can also call as the, we can say power is equal to 1 by focal length, reciprocal of a focal length of a given a mirror. This is the concave, no? Concave it is a convex, right? It is a concave and convex. So that it is in centimeters, you take like this. Power is equal to reciprocal of. So that you want to say in meters, yes, we can write like this. Power will be reciprocal of focal length. In centimeter is it focal length in centimeter, therefore 100 by f. So for the concave mirror, power will be taken as, very simple, it is positive. In case of this, power will be taken as negative. Very, very important. The powers are, usually powers are, we can say like this. It is for a concave mirror, we can take it as the positive. For convex mirror, we can take it as the, like it is, we can take like this. So that the unit of power will be, we can say meter inverse, or it is dioptrods, we can call D. Right? So this will be like this about a power of a mirror. Power of a mirrors, concave mirror, which we can take as a positive, convex mirror we can take as the power is negative. So that the power is equal to reciprocal of focal length in centimeters, in meters. This is, we can say, in meters. If you take in centimeter, then you write a 1 by this, or you want to say in meters, then you say like this. It is F is in meters. Right? So for concave and convex mirrors, power negative, power positive. Clear? Let us. We'll go for the next. On the basis of mirror equation, let us, we have some problems. I'll tell you one problem based on the mirror equation. And after that, we'll see the next. Let us, from our Telugu Academy textbook, now I am telling one problem. Right here, coming to the one problem from Telugu Academy textbook, the page number will be 45. It is there in our material also. That is example problems. Page number, you say from Telugu Academy it is 45, and the question number or example problem 2.3. It is example related. So the question given, an object is placed at 10 centimeter is 1, and second 5 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of radius of curvature is given 15 centimeter. Find the position and nature and magnification of the image in such a case. So he is asking, this is a beautiful question because all are there in this. In the question it is given like this. And the question is given like this. So an object is placed. First one, the object is placed in front of a mirror. First one, object distance is given 10 centimeter. Second, other question it is 5 centimeter. So that is asking what? By using the object distance, first object distance, we have to find one is image distance, as well as we should say the nature and position of image also for first one. By using the first u, let us you take u is equal to given as 10 centimeter. It is in front of a concave mirror given, no? So that the u will be taken as here minus, because object distance is measured opposite, no? And as well as in the question is given the radius of curvature will be r is equal to 15 centimeter is given, but we should know f. There will be a f will be, we can take like this, r by 2, no? So that 15 by 2, then we'll get the 7.5. Of course, image also measured in opposite, focal length also measured in opposite in case of a concave mirror. So there is an equation 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by v. So is asking v in the first case, no, by using the first distance. Let us, you write here 1 by v plus, so 1 by u, that is you say minus 1 by 10. Here f will be minus 1 by 7.5. Now we have to simplify this. We'll get the equation will be like this. Suppose this, you take this side 1 by v minus 1 by 7.5 plus 1 by 10. So 1 by v is equal to, very simple, minus 10 plus 7.5 by, it is 75. 1 by v is equal to, it is a 10 minus 7.5. See 2.5. 75, right? So v is equal to 75 by 2.5. So it is 250 by 250, 750 by 25 we can. 750 by 225. So approximately we get the 30 is the value. 30 minus is there, no? As it is we take minus, right? So image will be real because negative, no? Negative in the sense the image position and image description is real image, negative minus, no, real image, and it is inverted image will form. Inverted image will form and it is on the same side. So what will happen, the magnification? Yes, you get magnification is equal to minus v by u, right? So that here v, what is v is there here, you take minus of minus 30 by u will be given as minus 10. So that the magnification minus 3, because 0 is cancelled. Same by using the magnification, yes, the real image inverted and it is on the same side. On the same side. So this is for 2 marks question actually. It is for 2 marks question. See, by using a 10 centimeter distance, the image will be v is equal to minus 30 and it is real image and inverted image, and magnification will be like this. For u is equal to 10 centimeter. Yes, you go next one. Let us, you take u is equal to 5 centimeter and again same image is asking. So 1 by v, here you take minus and this is will be plus 10 here, you take it is minus and you say it is minus 5 plus this. So that here from here it is maybe changes. 1 by v is equal to 5 minus 5 plus 7.5, right? Minus 5 plus 7.5. There may be subtract this, approximately is 1.5 I think, right? Because if you add this, no, it is maybe 2.5. So cancel this. 1 by v is equal to 25 by 75. So v is equal to 75 by 25. 25 ones, 25 threes. So the image will be, because object position is changed, no? The image will be at a distance of 3. It is the positive image. So the positive will be what happens? It is a virtual image will form. It is the virtual. You remember the image will be virtual it is, because we are getting v is positive, no? So that it is we can take it as like this. Again here you write that is v is 3 by 5. So minus, no? So that it becomes 3 by 5. So here it is next side the image will form. So virtual and direct. It is virtual and direct because the magnification is positive, no? When magnification is positive is nothing but an object will be between the focus and the optic center. Magnification is positive and the image or distance, image also we are getting positive, no? Therefore the object is, it is between the focus and I mean to say optic center. So that the image will be virtual and it is a virtual and directed. And it is other side will form. The image will be forms other side, directed and virtual. So like this the question related to mirror equation. Question related to the mirror equation. Okay, and here. Next question we'll see. on the basis of same. Right, there is another question based on the same mirror. One more question, look at your same mirror equation. Right, look at the question in our Telugu Academy textbook. Page number 75, very short answers question, VSAQ question, page number 75. Question number will be 7th. Right, look at here. A concave mirror produces an image of a long vertical plane placed 40 centimeter from the mirror. See, is placed, the image will be 40 centimeter and at the position of the object only. Find the focal length of the mirror. Very simple. See, the image is given as 40 centimeter from the mirror. Object also at the same at the same place. So the question again I'll read you. A concave mirror produces, the mirror is, which mirror again? You take a concave. Therefore, that is produces the image. The image distance will be, the image and object distances are at the same place. In the question it is given very clear. So this is you say image and it is you say object. So it is placed 40 centimeter from the mirror at the position of the object only. Both image and object are at the same position. See, when will get the both? When it is at a center of curvature. Both will get at the same. So object distance is you take as 40 and image distance also is take as 40. Is asking find the focal length. So there is a mirror equation, 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. What is 1 by v? Minus 40 plus minus 40 is equal to 1 by f. So you do one thing, let us you take a minus is common, 1 by 40 plus 1 by 40. It is equal to 1 by f. Very simple, for 2 marks question it is. Clear? So that here we will get 2 by 40 here and it is equal to 1 by f. 2 ones, 2 20s. So f will be minus 20 centimeter. Yes, minus 20 because the focus also it is measured in opposite. So the focal length, if the image and object distances are given like this, then the focus point of or focal length will be, for this given question, we will get the focus is minus 20 centimeter. It is on the same side because it is we are using the concave mirror. So like this it is related to the mirror equation problems. Again we have other mirror equation problems also. We will see in the next class. We will continue in the next class. Thank you very much.